Hello. So today on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make this piggy bank guitar step by step, from the materials I use to the process I assemble it. So enjoy the video. Turn on Glowforge. So for this piggy bank project, the materials that I'm going to be using are going to be dry eraser board from Lowe's. So it's going to be the 1/8 inch, and this is actually the size of it, the thickness. You can see right there. This cardboard I'm going to use for the sides. And the other thing what I'm going to use as well will be acrylic. I'm going to use this acrylic. And then this acrylic is actually 1/8 inch as well. As you can see right there, 1.25. But on the acrylic, it really doesn't matter what size it is, because it's going to cover the hole for the guitar, so you can see inside the piggy bank. This is the acrylic I like to use. It's 1/8 inch. It's cell cast acrylic. So right here, I'm gonna load the file that I'm gonna cut. I just named it guitar. I'll put the name of the file that you can search it online of if you want to use it to download it. I customized mine so it won't look similar to yours. From Lowe's, 1/8 inch. So this is the settings I always use. It cuts pretty good. For scoring on this, I have it right here. So I just like to go to custom material thickness, and I'll just hit 1/8 inch and just submit it. So I don't have to be doing it all the time, or the Glowforge is gonna automatically focus on here and give you the right adjustments. But I'm gonna see this right now. Watch. So we can see if all the material is gonna fit on the board. So it's reading the material. So 4 minutes. So see how the guitar is almost off the edge. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cancel this, and now it gave me the right dimensions of where I need to move my material. I'm gonna move it away from the edge, just so I don't waste it. So I'm gonna hit ready again. The camera view is already adjusted to the right height. Now this will be the assembly part, how I assemble this guitar. I'm just using crazy glue with the quick set spray. So on the guitar, just make sure that this is on the top somewhere on either side, but just make sure when you put this piece on, it's facing the right way. And the other thing, that on this frame, it depends on what side you want showing. So I want the white side showing or the black side. So I already have the black side showing on this one, so I'm gonna have to make sure I put it with the black side showing on the other side. So these the two beginning pieces of these ones will start right here. I'm just gonna show you that the reason why I'm having a hard time. As you can see, I usually use this cardboard right here. It's real thin, but it's real sturdy, because you can see the little V's. I'm not too sure what it's called. I forgot what it's called. It has more of them, and then the one I'm trying to use has less. So every time I'm trying to bend this into the corner, it's pretty much bending the cardboard. See how thick these are? This is the cardboard I always use. So if you are doing this project, just make sure you get the right cardboard, or you can do it with wood. I haven't tried it with wood, but it will still work the same. But just make sure the wood has the same thickness as these holes right here. So it's very important to put this on here as it is. I'm going to show you why. I'm going to show you that if you try to stick both of them together like how I did on this one, and you put it on here, it's just going to be more harder to glue this down onto the little guitar. I like to put crazy glue right here. The reason why I put this tape, so now I got all the slots in here. So I'm happy with the slots being pushed in. So now I'm gonna put glue on this side and then put something heavy and let the glue set. But in this case, all I have to do to let the glue set, I just put my little quick spray on here and it dries the glue instantly. Glue here. On this bottle I just refill it with glue. I don't put a lot in it because a little goes a long way. So when I want that to set, there we go. So I'm going to continue gluing the inside right here. Also, because this is cardboard, I like to put glue around the edge right here just to get the cardboard a little hard. So when you're dropping in coins, it's not weakening the cardboard. So the next step is pretty much putting the backing onto here. I like to put glue just so it gives me time to work with it. You could put wood glue on the other side instead of crazy glue. It's all preference. I'm just putting crazy glue just because it sets faster, so I can get this project done faster. But the crazy glue is strong. But once this Gorilla Glue dries, it's pretty strong as well. So I'm going to get a little bit of alcohol and wipe the ends. So it's drying up. I'm trying to get it as straight as possible. Okay. I think I got it pretty straight. So I could just put this on here for now, just so it doesn't move. So while that's drying, I'm gonna get this, put it together so we can put it right here. Okay, got it off. I have to try to make these nice and straight. I'm gonna eyeball it on there. So before I push pressure on there, I'm gonna just slap it in here. Hopefully it don't fall off. That looks good enough. So now after gluing all this right here, gluing it onto here, because this has the double-sided tape, it's gonna be a little transparent, but glue this on right here. And the file has these little pieces as well. It's supposed to get glued on right here. And then it has this little piece as well. This is supposed to get glued on over here in the end. I'm gonna give you a little time lapse of me gluing these down. now we are done. I'm gonna clean it all up and I'll show you the end product.